How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be talking about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So again, I've been getting a few people upset with me that I keep making these hickey videos, but I keep getting questions about it. So if I keep getting questions from my subscribers about the hickeys, then I'm going to continue to make videos on them. So I do apologize to the people that keep saying, why do you keep making these hickey videos? Why do you keep making them? Again, it's because I keep getting questions from them. And again, I make lots of fitness videos. The one video that isn't fitness related are these hickeys. So again, I do apologize, but I'm gonna continue to make these videos. So the question I have today from a subscriber, they want to know, can you get rid of a hickey with a brush? Now, this was kind of the same as a comb. I talked about a comb in a few videos back. And if you're using the brush, like the end part, like where the bristles are, if you use a brush, it's gonna make your whole neck red. And that's not cool in my opinion. And yeah, a brush is meant, a hairbrush or a hair comb, whatever, a brush is meant for your hair. It's not meant for your neck. Now, people ask how to get rid of hickey the quickest. The quickest way is to rub the neck area. That's how you get rid of the hickey in the fastest amount of time possible. One person, another subscriber chimed in on the brush, and they wanted to know if you can reverse it and use the handle to rub your neck, which is a great question. Now, the brush, like when you're using a brush, I would not recommend using the bristle part. But if you flip it and you use the end and you rub your neck, that can work. Don't get me wrong, that will work. The whole point that I'm trying to get across is just to rub the area. 2 to 5 minutes, that's all it takes, and it will get rid of your hickey. Yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. And again, in all my hickey videos, I like to say at the end how to actually get rid of them. The start of the video is me answering the subscriber's question. And then the end of the video, I just like to say the quickest way to do it. And I say that in all my videos because for someone who's just watching, first tuned in or first time watching the video, they might not know all the stuff we've talked about so far. So again, that's why I talk about it. And yeah, again, a brush will work, but don't use the front part with the bristles. You're gonna completely wreck your neck. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.